enhance the lighting in your vlog or selfie to a professional standard in just a few seconds using an accessory that you can buy at your local store for just a few euros. That's more, this accessory can even replace your selfie stick. Just like that, with a simple gesture, we eliminate sharp, unpleasant shadows on the face. The person squints less and appears more attractive. It might seem that we have simply created a shadow on the face, but that's not entirely the case. There is an important nuance here. We used a wide umbrella which doesn't fully block the light but allows some through, making the light softer. It's important to note that using a dark, dense, non-transparent umbrella for this purpose can actually worsen the image. The face may become significantly darker than the background, and the main light of the face will come from above from the sky and from below from the ground. We discussed the drawbacks of such bottom and top lighting in our video tutorial on portrait lighting. Be sure to watch it in our channel if you haven't yet. When taking a selfie, you can hold the umbrella separately or attach your smartphone to the umbrella using rubber bands. Depending on the size of your smartphone, you can also try placing it like this or even like this, but always check to ensure you have fastened everything safely. So far, we haven't come across any selfie stick for sale with a built-in umbrella, but the idea seems interesting to improvement. This setup can protect you and your smartphone from not only the sun but also the rain. If you have any suggestions for improvements, we would be glad to see them in the comments. Thank you for sharing our videos and supporting us. It allows us to create more interesting content.